Hey guys, so I dropped Lily off at my sister and mom's house, and that's what I did today, and I worked. My back still keeps hurting. It's really annoying. It feels like I want to just stretch out my back, like stretch out whatever is going on, and it's just not doing it. It's ruining my life. That's how I feel. It's ruining it all. I'm just very tired. I don't know, I don't know, I haven't been sleeping good, I don't know. Keep biting off my nails, because I keep having, like, anxiety problems, so that means I bite my nails when I'm nervous and anxious and stuff, so, sad. Not sure what else to say. I don't know. Oh, I bought some of these. Hold on. I'm going to show you the good deal. I got 3 boxes because I was so excited. This is Glutino, and just so everyone knows, Glutino is really expensive. Very expensive gluten-free food. It's amazing, though. I only spent $3.39. They're originally like $6.79 a box, so it's amazing. I saved some money. So yeah, I have those now, which is awesome. I'm exhausted. I am so tired. I don't know. It's just difficult. I need to stop biting my nails. Figure out something else to do. I don't know. How are you guys doing today on this? What is today? Tuesday? Today's Tuesday. How are you guys doing on this Tuesday? Did you do any fun things, or did you just work? I don't know. I need to stop. This is what I do. Sorry. I'm amusing myself here. Like, I'm watching myself going, look at all these things I can do. Which is like what all vloggers and other people on YouTube tell you not to do. They tell you not to do, like, look at yourself in the camera and not to do the things I'm doing. I don't care what anyone else says. I do what I do because that's what I do. And that's who I am. I'm never going to change. I've been this way since I started vlogging. 2008 in May was my first ever vlog. The first time I tried to put a video of myself up. And it just never changed. I always wanted it to, but it wouldn't make sense to change exactly who I am, because this is who I am, this is who I'll be. And Barry's in the room with the computer chair squeaking. I don't think you can hear it, but if you did, that is what that is. Alright, good night, you guys. I love you. See you tomorrow. Yeah, bye.